I was just calling to say that it had nothing to do with you. You didn't change. It was me. I changed. I could no longer be there for you. I never meant to hurt you. I never meant to fall out of love with you, because I truly did love you. I still do. But not in the same way. Not in the way that would make it fair for me to stay. I'm sorry things couldn't stay the same. But anyway, I was just calling to say that I hope you're okay.
No need no more call, no need no more message. Moving on with my life. Moving on with my life. Aye.
Sleepless Beats.
Walk one know what you want talk about. Me move on long time from your walk out. So we don't have nothing else to talk about. You can't throw a stone when you're living in a glass. If you truly love me, you would never leave. You cut me with a knife, but me never bleed. Guess you're never loyal, never genuine. Nothing but lot of dreams and broken promises. You're gone. Now I'm moving on to the black woman, I was so strong. You shoulda never do me wrong. Gone. So now I'm moving on to the black woman, I was so strong. You shoulda never do me wrong. Me, you never try to understand. As a real born Jamaican Rasta man, gave you so much love, but then ninja thought you was the one. Difference in our cultures make you change your plan. Strong but me no Superman. Ever try to hold your hand, even show you things me never show no one. So stop calling my phone and ask me what I want. You know me wish you well, I hope you find yourself a better man. You're gone. Now I'm moving on to the black woman, I was so strong. You shoulda never do me wrong. Gone. So now I'm moving on to the black woman, I was so strong. You shoulda never do me wrong. You're gone. Now I'm moving on to the black woman, I was so strong. You shoulda never do me wrong.